Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add or how to create a blog page in Wix website. As you can see right now, I'm in my Wix website editor, and as you can see, currently I don't have blog page in my Wix website. If I click on this page drop down, and also as you can see, currently I don't have blog page on my Wix website. Now I'll show you how to create a blog page and add the blog page into this menu section. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and click on pages and menu, and here click on add page, and in this left hand menu here you will find this blog page option. So just click on blog, and now click on add Wix blog, and as you can see, the blog page has been successfully created. And right now I'm in my blog page. Here we can see, now I'm scrolling down, and as you can see, already added some random blog post in this blog page section. Okay, now it's time to add the blog page into this menu section. To do that, click on pages and menu, and here select site menu. And once you are in the site menu, scroll down, and at the bottom of this list you will see the blog page. Now all you have to need, click and drag this blog page and just put the blog page at the top, or in my case I want to add this blog item under the contact. And here, so here as you can see, I've successfully added my blog page in my header or navigation section, and now closing these settings, and as you can see, the blog page created. Now let's preview my Wix website, and now let's go to blog page, and as you can see, I'm in my Wix website blog page. So that's it for today. I will show you how to edit blog post or how to post a new blog post in Wix website in next tutorial. So make sure to subscribe to this channel, and please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.